Okay, my friends, today is Friday, December 1st, 2023. I'm going on a call in Shelter Island, New York. And I was there yesterday and found an evaporator leak in the freezer on the suction line just as it goes into the accumulators. Now, the refrigerator is already completely torn apart because I didn't have my soldering equipment with me yesterday, so I'm going back today to do the job. So we're going to solder that hole shut, pull a vacuum, recharge it, and that'll be it, and I'll see you when we get there. Okay, so here I'm putting on a process port and a new filter dryer, and I'm re-sweating that joint there in the freezer. Okay, so I went back to the job today. It's February 3rd. The customer wanted to wait until after the holidays to finish this job up, so here I am. I'm taking the top grill off, and I'm going to put a vacuum pump on this thing overnight, just in case there's any moisture in the system. Okay, so after I fixed the leak in the freezer, we had a restriction. So I'm putting a vacuum pump on this machine overnight, just in case there's any moisture in the system. And then tomorrow we're going to go back and we're going to replace the heat exchanger. Okay, this job is done. I weighed in 6 ounces of R134A. Back pressure is stabilizing about 3 or 4 pounds. That's pretty good. So that's it. That's how you change a heat exchanger on a 650 freezer. See you next time. Thanks for watching.